Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Those who are here, thank you so much. Those who have not yet subscribed, I would like to encourage you to please do so you will not miss any of my fabulous recipes. Today we will be making roasted chipotle chicken and vegetables. This fabulous recipe is super quick, easy, and delicious. The list of the ingredients will also be in the description box along with the measurements. So if you're ready guys, let's get started. And that is my chicken drumstick, garlic, onion powder, black pepper, chili oil, smoked paprika, parsley, and chipotle marinade. So over the chicken, I will be drizzling 3 tablespoons of the garlic chili oil. Then I'll be adding some of my chipotle marinade, onion powder, and black pepper, parsley and chili powder, garlic, and we will marinate this well. Make sure everything is coated nicely. Get under the skin if you can of the chicken. Remember, this kitchen is all about flavor. So guys, I did add 1 teaspoon of salt. We will cover this and we will let this sit for about 30 to 60 minutes. So moving on to our vegetables, I have some carrots and some potatoes. I will also season the vegetables here with some of the same garlic chili oil, some of the chipotle marinade also, some salt and some parsley. Mix together and set aside. So after an hour, I will be removing the saran wrap and placing the chicken drumsticks on a baking rack or baking pan. Now we'll add our vegetables. Looks amazing guys. The chicken will cook and the vegetables will absorb all of those beautiful flavors. And after 1 hour, this is exactly what it looks like. Tender, juicy, and delicious. All right, so I did remove the vegetables and the chicken from a pan and I put it in the serving dish, and the juice that the chicken would have produced, I added a little bit of garlic powder and some red pepper flakes, jazz it up a bit, and pour it right over the vegetables and the chicken. And there it is guys, dinner is served. Quick, easy, and delicious. Again, if you guys have not yet subscribed, please do so. Those who are already here, thank you so very much for supporting. Do enjoy. Bye bye.